Hey, what's up, guys? Hello. Oh, I'm sorry about that. That was really weird. Ew, that scares my teeth to be clean. Wow, I'm sorry I showed you that. Anyway, I'm sitting here and it's like really rainy, dreary looking outside. Well, I'll flip it over. See? Well, I mean, it looks actually bright. Okay, but yeah, you see that greyness. Anyway, and the sun kind of shined a little bit straight through the clouds, and it just makes me think of how good God is. Everything pretty much makes me think of how good He is. So I figured I'd make a song, and I started out with a few words, and then from there I'm gonna go. So if it sounds corny, then oh well. Lay your sunshine on us. Lay your glory rain. Lay your glory fall like rain. Lay your glory fall like rain. Lay your glory fall like rain. We're ready, Lord, to open our doors. We want to see your sunshine on us. Lay your sunshine on us. Lay your glory fall like rain. We worship you today. Let it fall like rain. Let it fall like rain. Lay your sunshine on us. Lay your glory fall like rain. We will worship you today. Let it fall like rain. Let it fall like rain. Let your glory fall like rain. Prayer party tonight. What's up? I am so totally stoked. I put on this mascara and my eyelashes look amazing, don't they? Alright, well anyway, now I see it, so good day, y'all.